Is the Caterpillar C15 in your truck idling rough? Stalling? Noticing slower acceleration? You may be in need of a camshaft replacement in your C15. Regain power and performance. Install a high-quality, rebuilt camshaft in your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. The camshafts we sell are rebuilt to go the distance, helping restore horsepower, torque, and improve overall fuel economy that can be lost due to a worn or damaged camshaft, making replacement critical to your Caterpillar C15. This camshaft is rebuilt to OEM specifications. Then, it's thoroughly tested for proper fit and function, ensuring an excellent finish and proper functionality for your C15. It's not just camshafts that can wear or fail. The camshaft bearings support the camshaft in the engine and allow for its rotation. Bearing failure can cause extensive damage to your camshaft and other vital parts of your engine. Fortunately for you, HHP has you covered. Pick up some cam bearings to go with your rebuilt camshaft and fully protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.